Okay guys, I have my first grocery haul of this week. It's a mid-sized shop for me. I actually am finding that the produce and the fruit isn't very good right now. So, beggars and choosers, right? And I'm picky. So I begin with Aldi A2 2 liters of light milk, $6.89. I got a dozen eggs, free range 700-gram large eggs. These ones go for $5.19 at Aldi. $600 of chicken thighs, $9.19. Now, I usually don't like the chicken thighs at Aldi because, as you can see, it requires a lot of trimming, but I couldn't be bothered going to Coles. Packet of spinach, small bag, $1.99. Baby cukes were on special, 250 grams for $2.99. Then I went to the fruit market. Bananas are $3.69 a kilo at the fruit market. They're bigger, they're nicer. They're currently $3.99 at Aldi, and I walked past Coles the other day. They're $4.50 a kilo at Coles. That's unbelievable. $3.69 at the fruit market, 3 of them. And I also got 3 pack and pears, each of them at varying degrees of ripeness. These pack and pears go for $4.99 a kilo. Oh, that's pricey. And these 3 cost me $4.40. So, they are quite large. I had them, I think, last week or the week before, and they were really, really quite sweet after a few days. A punnet, 200 grams of snacking tomatoes, $2.99 at the fruit shop. And on special, the king oyster mushrooms, you get 400 grams. This one was on special for $4.99. Then I went to the Asian supermarket. I got my 10-pack of tempura prawns and my 5-pack of udon noodles for the freezer for an easy meal. Then I also got a junky food thing, peanut mochi from the Asian supermarket. This little snack, I love it, costs $4.15 for the packet. I think you get 6, but yeah, it's a nice little treat. Finally, I hit up the Asian bakery. I got croissants. They're really, really buttery, so bad for you, but so good. I got a little donut thing and an egg tart. Small little shop. I don't know what I'm gonna make with it. Obviously some kind of chicken. Yeah, I think I spent more than $70. As always, I will put my total up on screen. Okay, so I've got my prep pretty much already done. It's really late at night. It's already 10:30, and I'm tired, but I have nothing cooked in the fridge. So I've cooked some rice over here, and I've just trimmed up 4 chicken thighs. Now, I don't usually like to buy chicken thighs from Aldi because of this reason. I bought 600 grams of chicken thighs. Now, I don't mind the fattiness of it, and I would prefer thigh to breast, which is drier. But the problem with Aldi, my local Aldi at least, is that I have to trim off bone in every single thigh. And there are so many bone fragments, like you can see here, yeah, and they leave full intact blood vessels. So yes, while it's all edible, not the bone, like you have to deal with it first. So while it's cheaper than Coles and Woolies, at least my local is, I don't know, how much did I trim off? 600 grams. What's that? 80 grams? I should have shopped at Coles, at least for my meat. Anyway, I've got my chicken thighs chunked up. Let's say that's 550 grams now. I'm going to make chicken and egg rice. So I have half an onion already chopped up. I want it in slices. Yeah, whatever. I'll break it up as well. To my 4 chicken thighs, I'm going to make a marinade. Okay, so bit more prep work. Got my chicken thighs in a bowl and I'm going to make a sauce with this. I'm going to do 5 tablespoons of water. I'll make it 6 because I wasn't doing really full tablespoons. 6 tablespoons of water. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. 3 teaspoons of sake. 1.5 teaspoons of mirin. 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. Okay, I've got my prep work done. I've got my chicken in the sauce. Usually people marinate it, but like I'm already 11:15 at night. I'm going to cook up my onions in my wok until basically fragrant. And then I'm going to throw my chicken in with all of the sauce and literally put a lid on it until it cooks. Yeah, basically, you know when it's done. Yeah, plus then reduce the sauce to how much sauce you want over your rice. Then very close to the end, I've got 2 eggs, 1 egg more beaten than the other. I'm going to pour it on top, cook most of the egg, and then throw a little bit, the rest on, undercook it a little bit, and throw in my spring onions. And that's pretty easy. So to the stove we go. Okay, so this is my dinner done. It's 11 p.m., but my chicken and egg bowl is probably one of the more reliable under 30-minute meals that I have in my repertoire. Chicken thighs, eggs on top, and I've just got 2 baby cucumbers chopped up, bit of sauce over the rice, and enough for lunch and dinner tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, this keeps really well in the fridge, and also if you're packing a lunch, for the microwave for work, it's actually really, really great. So I will put all my costings up on screen.